Hello viewers, welcome to my video. Today in this video I am going to share with you the last installment of the plot of the story The Beauty and the Beast. Already I have uploaded the fourth installment, which should definitely be watched by any of you who are watching this video before watching this video, because it is the last or completed part of the story The Beauty and the Beast, and it will be quite good or accurate for you if you come to watch this video after you finish watching those fourth parts. So let's get started without any delay or without any making any noise or without doing or without making any unnecessary conversation. So before starting or before going to the main topic, we should definitely get touch of the ending of the fourth part, what happened or what was done or what was told by me on the fourth installment. At the ending, we came to know that the we came to know that Belle was agreed to stay just for one more day by her by the request of her sisters. False show of love, as her sisters were requesting her to stay just for one more day, and they were pretending to be that they were weeping for her and wanting to spend some more time. So Belle agreed to stay, and Belle agreed to stay, and after some time Belle realized that she made a mistake and she felt guilty about breaking her promise to the beast. We came to know that Belle promised to the beast that within a week later I will definitely return to your castle. She was given also a ring and a mirror. She immediately immediately used the mirror to see what the beast was doing at the castle. Belle found that the beast was lay half dead out of heartbreak, and and Belle you immediately used the ring to return to the castle of the beast. He where she immediately went to the castle and wept over the beast, saying that she loved him and asking for forgiveness to the beast. Bell, Bell's tears when touched the body of the beast. The beast became a handsome prince. Belle was surprised to find that the hideous beast became a handsome prince. How can it be possible? What is the reason behind his transformation? The beast the beast then explained or told the explanation how he became from a handsome prince to a hideous beast. One day it was raining heavily outside the castle of the beast, and a fairy was begging or requesting to the beast to allow or spend the night. And after the accomplishment of the rain, the fairy will come out of the palace. But the beast was not agreed. The beast did not agree, and he refused to let her in from the rain. So by the fairy, the beast was given cards that by finding true love your by finding true love your cards by finding true love, the cards I have given you, or I have transformed you into a hideous beast from a handsome prince. If you find true love, or by finding true love despite your ugliness, your cards will definitely be broken. So the beast found Belle, and the tears of the youngest daughter Belle touched the beast, and she became into a handsome prince. And both Belle and the beast was Belle and beast got married each other, and they lived happily ever after. It was the story or the last part I have explained through this video. I don't know how my performance was through at the time of explanation. It is the time of true light, and I was telling you that, or I confess that I was not fully or completely concentrated on making this video. So it is intransparent how, about how was my performance. Hope you have understood my explanation.